Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we saw how inheritance works and we used both extends and implements keyword. Now in this video we will see the next topic or concept of object-oriented programming, that is polymorphism. So polymorphism means which has something and which has something, or you can say which has multiple or different types of forms like methods. So we can express and visualize this whole polymorphism concept through methods. So we have two categories of polymorphism. First one is runtime. We also call this overriding polymorphism, or sometimes, and second type is compile time polymorphism or overloading. So runtime happens with the help of inheritance, and you need the two classes there. That means parent and child. That's how you can achieve inheritance. But when it comes to compile time polymorphism or overloading, that happens within the same class. So in next video we will see how to achieve this through programs and how you can write the code for that. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.